You can now literally make this kind of high-quality UGC content for free or very little investment using AI and earn $500 to $1,000 easily with the strategies I am about to share. These all channels are doing exactly the same thing, and I am going to reveal everything in detail at last, so watch the video till the end. Forget about expensive cameras, fancy studios, and the hassle of hiring actors. With the power of AI, you can create high-quality UGC videos completely free and open up a world of income possibilities. And the best part? It's significantly cheaper than traditional UGC creation. So let's learn one more way to earn modern cash and deep dive into business, and explore the step-by-step process of crafting compelling AI UGC videos without spending a single penny. Step 1. Scripting with ChatGPT. Our journey begins with a captivating script. Fire up your browser and head over to ChatGPT. This incredible AI tool will be your script writing partner. To get started, feed ChatGPT some key information. Product and service. What are you showcasing in your video? Be specific. Target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Are they young adults, professionals, or maybe pet lovers? Desired tone. What kind of vibe are you going for? Funny, informative, serious, or something else entirely? Key message. What's the main takeaway you want viewers to remember? An example can be, write a short and engaging script for a YouTube video promoting a new brand of eco-friendly coffee. The target audience is young adults aged 18 to 25 who are passionate about sustainability. The tone should be casual and friendly. The key message is that this coffee tastes great and is good for the planet. And there you have it, a polished script in seconds. Completely free of charge, you can always do some final human touch to make it better. Step 2. Voice generation with ElevenLabs. Now let's give your script a voice. ElevenLabs is an AI-powered voice generator that produces incredibly realistic and expressive voices. Go to ElevenLabs by clicking the link in the description and simply paste your script into ElevenLabs. Choose your ideal voice from a diverse library that matches your buyer persona. I like to make the default setting provide, as it mostly provides the best results, but you can tweak it according to yours and generate the voice. Once you are ready with VoiceOver, let's move to the next step. Step 3. AI avatar creation. It's time to bring your video to life with an AI avatar. Platforms like heygen offer a wide array of lifelike and diverse avatars to choose from. There are many open-source platforms and alternatives of heygen. However, personally, I like it as it is free to start and has a very nominal pricing as well, compared to others if you want to go all in. As you sign in and come to dashboard, you will see a wide variety of templates, avatars, and many other options. Ignore them and start by clicking on AI avatars, then select your resolution. Mostly vertical format will be best for UGC ads. Then go to the avatars option where you can find hundreds of public avatars and even their different looks now. If you like them, it's okay, then select them as they are the most realistic ones. However, there are 2 more ways. Firstly, you can even create your own custom avatar scanning yourself. Secondly, you can make an avatar with a realistic photo. If you are not sure where will you find a realistic personalized photo, just move to any AI image generator nowadays. Pretty much all AI generator is good at generating realistic photos. I personally use Leonardo, as it also has consistent character option for future similar photos. Once you have your desired photo of a person, go to Photo Avatar and upload it. Personally, I will go with a pre-made character as they are the most realistic. Just add audio and submit to get a perfect video. Step 4. Video editing with CapCut. Now let's add some visual pizzazz to your video with CapCut. You can use whichever editing software you are comfortable with, but I will use CapCut as it is a powerful yet user-friendly video editing app and available for free on your phone or computer. Import your AI avatar video into CapCut and unleash your creativity. CapCut provides a vast library of royalty-free music and sound effects to enhance your video's mood and atmosphere. You can also add eye-catching text overlays to highlight key messages, smooth transitions to create a seamless flow, and a variety of other effects to make your video truly stand out. Here's a more detailed breakdown of the editing process. Import your AI avatar video. Start by importing the video you created in heygen, and you can even remove the background using the CapCut Auto Background. Remove feature or chroma key. Add background music. Browse CapCut's music library, and select a track that complements your video's tone and style. Adjust the volume to ensure it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Incorporate text overlays. Use CapCut's text tool to add captions, headings, or call to actions. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and animations to create visually appealing text overlays. Enhance with transitions. Smoothly transition between different scenes or shots using CapCut's wide range of transitions. This will make your video more dynamic and engaging. Add the stocks of your UGC ads. Properly edit the stock as needed, like when the script scene is about features, then add a stock that complements it. Step 5. Export and share. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to export it. CapCut offers various export settings, allowing you to choose the resolution and format that best suits your needs. You can export your video in high definition for YouTube or in a mobile-friendly 9:16 format for TikTok. Now your video is ready to be shared with the world.
Hey there, question. What if your morning coffee didn't just wake you up, but also did something amazing for the planet? Sounds cool, right? Well, let me introduce you to Brew Better, the eco-friendly coffee that's changing the game. This isn't your average cup of joe. Brew Better is sustainably grown, ethically sourced, and comes in packaging that's 100% compostable. Yup, even the bag disappears, kind of like my motivation before coffee.
Now let's go deep into how you can actually monetize using the AI UGC video you just created, and there are many ways. Starting with the most obvious one, which is creating content on YouTube and TikTok or other social media. These platforms are goldmines for UGC creators. Build a loyal following, promote affiliate products, participate in dropshipping, and earn ad revenue. Here are a few channels that are doing exactly the same and making banks. Freelancing is another way to earn really quickly. Offer your video creation services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or directly reach out to potential clients and ask them if they need these services. Businesses are always on the lookout for high-quality UGC content, and you can provide it at a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. The possibilities are truly limitless. With a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of effort, you can transform your AI UGC videos into a thriving online business. That concludes our deep dive into the world of AI UGC video creation. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on how to earn money online. And be sure to check out our next video popping on the screen to learn more.